Hello everyone, I am Lokeshwaran from Department of AEDS. I tell about process of data science. Data science is a step-by-step process that turns raw data into useful data. Step 1. Understanding the business problem and data collection. Every data science project starts by understanding the business problem. We work to identify the many issue and opportunity. We set clear goal, success and a plan to collect the right data. Defining the problem properly save time and help focus the whole project. Step 2. Data cleaning, exploration and pre-processing. We clean and prepare the data which takes most of the time. We fixing missing value, check for outliers and make data is consistent. We also create new useful features and convert data into right format for modeling. Step 3. Model building and training. Now comes the model building part. We choose right algorithm based on our data and problem type. We train the model using portion of the data. Different method to create model building like deep learning, tree based model and static model. Step 4. Model deployment and monitoring. Finally, we deploy the model to production environment. It help make real-time prediction. We continuous monitoring their model accuracy and performance to make it stable. Good model lead to smart business, helping business gain. Thank you.